The magic of consuming extra virgin oil daily. Interested in knowing how valuable the Mediterranean diet staple is to your health? You are just in luck. Apart from being able to satisfy the desires of your taste buds, extra virgin oil is packed with all the health benefits. It is rich in vitamin E and monosaturated fats, which are beneficial to the body. Here are some benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Number 1. A longer lifespan. There is no doubt extra virgin oil adds more years to your life. It simmers down the impact of cancer as well as other chronic diseases. This is awesome for something with a unique, beautiful taste. Number 2. Better sex life. If you're searching for ways to tune up your sex life, you are in luck. Just add more extra virgin oil to your salads. It improves upon your blood circulation, even in the erogenous areas. Now we know the secret to why the greatest lover in history was Italian. Number 3. As earlier mentioned, olive oil is rich in monosaturated fats, which inhibits the cognitive decline typically associated with Alzheimer's. Number 4. The smooth functioning of the body. Olive oil plays a vital role in the operation of the body as it provides upon the health of the stomach, pancreas and intestines. These body parts play a significant role in its functioning. Number 5. Weight loss. The Mediterraneans have been known to consume a lot of oil but do not grow fat. Their secret is simple. They have a diet rich in olive oil that provides for sustainable weight loss than low-fat diets. Number 6. Diabetes prevention. Regular consumption of olive oil regulates insulin levels and delays or even inhibits diabetes. This is good for your health. Number 7. Skin healing. Olive oil works magic to damaged and premature aging skins. It also acts as a moisturizer and provides a protective layer. Consumption and application are great ways to enjoy these benefits. Number 8. Pain reliever. Olive oil contains oleosanthal, which has been known to be a natural pain reliever. This substance is anti-inflammatory and acts more like a natural ibuprofen. Adding olive oil to your diet might provide long-term benefits of the drug as well as a low cancer risk. Number 9. Strengthens your immune system. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants which play a significant role in strengthening and protecting your immune system. As you can see, extra virgin oil is packed with a lot of healing and health properties that would surely change your life. Please punch the like and subscribe buttons if you did enjoy this video.